Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout, and in this bonus video for REBUILD Expo, I'm going to analyze my speech that I used for the pitch and to record the video. So I want to analyze whether my speech is positive, neutral, or negative. You obviously want, when you're doing a pitch for 5 minutes, you obviously want to have a positive example, and it's very handy to understand what you have written. So for that, I'm using a previous table that we used for CEO draft, but I'm using a group for positive checks. Let's call it pitch for rebuild, the task. And we need to assign it to me. Then we need to choose a workflow. Let's call it text positivity check and add a file, which is a text file with the pitch. Okay. Here we are, and now we need to change it to validate. At that moment, the workflow will be triggered for text analysis, and it will analyze this file whether it is a positive or neutral or negative. And once it does, it will either reject or approve the task. In this case, as you can see, the status went to done. Then it means it is a positive case. So let's see the details. Okay, so here it is. You can see that I've got one token for that. And let's see that the results, there are 2 pages, and it is a positive example. Hopefully you agree with that. If not, just drop me a message and let's talk about that. Thanks a lot, and good luck to everyone.